For now, I will introduce the HDL relay module. In here, we use 4-channel 16 ampere relay module. The relay module, we can use it to control on-off light. And the relay module, it has scene settings. User can be very easy to use different combinations on the panel after programming. The relay module can control many kinds of lights and electrical equipment. And the relay module has sequence function. It can be set up in the specific time or several steps to connect or disconnect. That means we can have a step to control the channel turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. For example, the sequence function, it can turn on off the DVD and the power amplifier one by one in order to protect the HIFI from the on-off noise. This is the settings for the relay module. So now I will go to the Bussport software to program it. Okay, this is our Bussport setup tool. We can call Bussport software. For first, we need to check the IP. For example, my gateway connects to my PC directory. So I need to check my local network. But my PC is in Chinese language. So you can go to the network to check the local IP. You can set the local IP as 10 segment 192.168.10. For example, 123. After set up the local IP, we can go back to Bussport software. Go to the option, the settings, the first page. You can select IP. Because I connect the Wi-Fi and connect the local, so I have two IP. This for my Wi-Fi, this for my local network. And my gateway is connected to the PC directory. So I need to select the local IP. Okay, select this one. And for this, we can enable the target hit. Enable it. And then go to the second page. Please make sure you select the first type, the local network, because I want to search my device by local. Okay, after check this, click OK and then close this. Go to the fast search. So I can search my devices via the gateway. Okay, these are my online devices. If you cannot search the devices, no problem. If you cannot search, you can go to the advanced search. Search the network device. Search the gateway. Okay, go here, search the gateway. In here, I have the one-port switch and the music player. This is the gateway. So we can double click to modify the IP for the device here. Maybe its IP segment is different. We can search it and modify it directly. Okay, go back to fast search. In here, there are some devices online. You can see it has the subnet ID, device ID. So subnet ID and device ID, the device subnet ID device ID, it is address for one device. This is the gateway. Okay, gateway. And we can call one port switch, no problem. You can see here there's other devices. The subnet ID is same with the gateway, So if the devices connect to the gateway busport port, so the device subnet ID must same with the gateway, So the panel same with the gateway. And you can see the last one, this the music player. The subnet ID is different because the music player it connect the RJ45 cable to the network. So the subnet ID must different with the gateway. If the device connects the RJ45 cable, the subnet ID must use different. Okay. We can check our relay module. Okay, this is my relay. I can double click to make a remark. This is the relay. We can double click to modify the address. But if I set different subnet ID for the relay, what happens? Okay, we can try. For example, I make different subnet ID with the gateway. What happens? So if you want to program the relay, it will time out. For example, I want to read the version. Double click. It will show time out. Why it shows time out? So you can see it's this time out. Why it shows time out? So you need to check the subnet ID of the gateway. Because the subnet ID is different with the gateway, so it will time out. Okay, we can change to correct. I change it back to 10. I can double click the version, so it will not show the timeout. So now I will show you the relay module. How can we program it? We can double click the module name or the description. Double click here or here, no problem. Double click it. So we can enter to the setup page of the relay module. Because it is 4-channel relays, we can make the remark for each channel. Example, room light. Number 1. Okay, number 2. Number 3. Number 4. This is the remark. It will help you to check this channel is for which light. It has the on delay, off delay, and the protect delay. On relay, that means after this relay it will turn on, after this relay it will turn off. And it has the test. Okay, we can click test. This test, we can test the connection between the channel and the light. When I enable it, the channel will connect, so the light will turn on. We can test here. This is for basic information. But if I want to use a button to control this light, how can we do it? Okay, we can go to the panel, find my panel. Double click it. Go to the button page. Because this panel is DLP, it has 4 button panel. 4 page. It has 4 page. And we can see there's some settings inside. So how can I clean or delete all the settings? Okay, I want to delete all settings in my panel. Go to the function initialization. Okay, I want to delete all settings. Select the panel and read its MAC and initial. After initial, we need to research. Okay, enter to the panel. Go to the page 1. For example, I want to control the room light number 1. Okay, give a remark. And I want to control it on-off. We can select on-off mode. Single on-off, that means can control one target on-off. Press first time, turn on, press second time, turn off. Okay, go to the target setting. So we just can control one target. Because I want to control room light number 1 in the relay module, so I need to send command to the relay. Go to the relay, check the address. 1019. Okay, 1019 is my relay module, and we can select the type. If you just want to control the channel turn on, turn off, control the channel. So we can select single channel control. Parameter number 1 is the channel number. I want to control channel number 1. Okay, select number 1 here. The parameter 2 is the brightness. Because it is the relay. Relay just have on, off. So if you want to turn on, you can select 100. 100 means on. Okay, save it. So we can use button 1 in the panel to control subnet ID 10, device ID 19. This relay channel number 1 turn on. Press first time, turn on. Press second time, it will turn off by default. Okay, this for one button to control one channel. Okay, go back to relay module. Because it has the scene and the sequence. If you want to use the scene or sequence, we need to set the zoom. Okay, go here, zoom. For default, there's no channels. Okay, for example, for first one, it's like this. We can add zoom number 1. Okay, and we can add the channels. We can add the channel to the zoom. Example, select channel 1, go here, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. It depends on you. For now, I want to control, I want to assign all channels in the same zone. So I add all to zone number 1. Okay, save it. And then go to the scene setting. Scene setting, that means we can use the one scene, one command to control all the light. This is the zone number. And the scene. There has 8 scenes here. The scene number 0. This is for default. Default all off. In here, you cannot modify the status. You can't because it's default. So if you want to program, you can use scene number 1. Example, all on. Okay, so we can control all light turn on, or we can control 1, 2 on, channel 3, 4 off. No problem, we can do it. Okay, Go here, 1, 2, off, 3, 4, on. It depends on you. I just make an example. Okay, this is for Zoom. Or you can make other. For example, just one turn on. Or just two on. Just 3 on. Okay, just 4 on. Okay, this is for scene. So in the same scene, you can control all the lights. So how can we trigger? How can we trigger the scene in the button? Okay, we can go here. Scene number 1. We can use on, off, or on, no problem. Okay. Go to the target setting. Because button 2, I want to control the scene number 1 in the array module. So I need to send command to the array. The address of the array module, the type is the scene. This is the zoom number. Okay, this is the zoom number and scene number 1. Okay. After I set this, it is enough. Okay, this is for scene. So when you press button 2 first time, it will control the scene number 1 in the array module. When you press again, it will control the zone number 1, scene number 0. It will turn off when you press second time because I use single on off. Okay, this is for scene setting. For the sequence setting, how can we use the sequence settings? For example, if you want to control one by one. For example, I want to control 4 channels. 4 channels turn on one by one. Okay, go to the sequence settings. Select the zoom number 1. 1 by 1. And mode. For example, forward. The running time. If you don't want to stop, you can select never stop. If you want to run 3 times, you can select 3. The steps. Okay, I want to use 4 steps. Step number 1, I want to control scene number 1. And number 5, number 6, 7. And this is the time for the step. Okay, I want to use, for example, 1 second. 1 second for each step. That means after I trigger this sequence, so first just light 1 turn on, and second just channel 2 turn on, and next just channel 3 turn on, and next just channel 4 turn on. So it will trigger one by one. It has the step. So if you want to control the step, you need to use the sequence. Okay, how can we use the button to trigger it? Okay, go here, sequence. sequence number 1. For example, single on off. And then go to the target settings. Because I want to control the sequence in the relay, so I need to set the address of the relay. For the type, because I want to control the sequence, so we need to select sequence. This is the zone number, sequence number. Okay, here, save it. So it is done. We can use one button to trigger the sequence number 1. So the light will turn on 1 by 1. So just channel 1 turn on, and then just channel 2 turn on, and then just channel 3 turn on, and then just channel 4 turn on. So it will control step by step. This for sequence. Okay, it has the stair light. What does it mean? If you enable the stair light, so this channel will turn off automatically. For example, channel 1, I set 5 seconds. What does it mean? This means if you use a button or something else to control this channel. For example, my panel button number 1 control channel 1 of the relay module. When I press it, this light turn on, and then after 5 seconds later, this channel will turn off automatically because I set the stair light here, and this is the delay time for turn off. This for stair light. You just need to control it turn on. It will turn off by auto. Okay, this is the stair light. And it has the exclusion. For this, what does it mean? If you enable it, that means channel 1 and channel 2 cannot turn on together. For first, if you turn on channel 1, and then you want to turn on channel 2, so it will turn off channel 1 and turn on channel 2. The result is channel 1 and channel 2 cannot turn on together. Okay, we can disable it. This is for the relay module. Okay, for now, I will introduce the curtain module. Okay, go here. This curtain module, it has 2 channels. It can control the curtain by AC motor or DC, no problem. It has 2 channels, so each curtain can set running time for closing the AC power if the curtain limit switch is held. And each channel, it has inch function. It allows clients to control the motor to move in short time, such as changing the angle of shutter. This is a picture of our curtain module. You can see it has 2 channels. Each channel, it has forward. So this channel number 1, it has forward and backward. 2 channels. That means 2 relay control 1 curtain. This is 1 curtain. And we can use the manual button. This is the manual button for channel number 1. You can press this button, so this relay will close. That means forward. For example, curtain open. And press this, so you will control this relay close, and this will disconnect. like the curtain closed. This is the connection of the AC motor. AC motor. You can see this the AC power connects to the curtain, connect the curtain motor and our channel. This is the menu button. Menu button, the toggle button, forward and stop. Press first time, forward. Press second time, it will stop. Stop, it means two channel will disconnect. This is the software configuration. Okay, let's go to Bussport software. Go here. We can find the curtain model. Curtain. Okay, double click the name. We can enter it. This is the setting. For example, curtain number 1 is for forward. Curtain number 1 backward. So 2 relay is used for 1 curtain. We can set the running time for forward. For example, we can set the running time for curtain open. For example, we can set maybe 10 seconds. You can set this and test it, and then modify the running time again. We can use the test. We can test the curtain open and closed. Can test here. It has the on delay, off delay. That's the delay time for channel closed or disconnect. And we need to we need to check the stop mode. There is 3 stop modes here. If you select normal mode, that means if you select normal mode, when you control the curtain stop, so forward and backward channel will disconnect. That means normal mode. If you select both open, what does it mean? That means if you control the curtain stop, the forward and backward 2 channel will connect first and then disconnect. This for both open. And for last one, normal closed. What does it mean? That means if you send stop command to this curtain, the forward and backward channel both will closed always. So it depends on the stop mode for the curtain. If the forward and backward disconnect, that means stop. You need to select first one. But for some dry contact curtain model, some dry contact type, if you want to stop, you need to connect forward, backward. Both are closed, and then both are connect and then disconnect. That means stop. For this type, you need to select both open. So you need to check the stop mode for the curtain, for the motor first, and then select the working mode inside our curtain module. Okay, this is for curtain. And this curtain it just can open, close, and stop. So it doesn't have percentage control. It just open, close, stop. If you want to use the percentage control, you need to use HDL curtain module, the other module. For now, how can we control it? How can we control it? We can use the button. We can use the button to control it. Okay, go to my panel. Okay, this is my panel. Double click it. Go to the page. Number 1. I want to use two buttons to control the curtain. Example, button 5. Curtain open, stop. Curtain close, stop. Okay, we can select single on-off mode. And then go to the target setting. Because I want to send command to the curtain, so I need to set address of my curtain 10 and then 19, 18. Okay, the type, because I want to control the curtain, so the type is the curtain switch. Parameter 1 is the curtain number. Because I connect the curtain to channel 1, so channel number is 1. I want to control open. Save it. And then I can copy it and go to the button 6. Button 6 is curtain close and stop. Right click, past, and then modify the parameter as the close. Okay, save it. And then save in the panel. So button 5, control curtain number 1, open. 6, control curtain, close. So maybe someone will ask, can we use one button to control curtain, open and close? For now, cannot. Cannot use one button to control open and close. Cannot. But if you want, you can use the logic module to do it. Use the logic module, we can do it. But if just panel, we can't. If you use single on mode, that means it just curtain open, just open. If you select single on off, that means press first time, curtain open. Press again, curtain stop. Because you use single on-off mode. Okay, this for curtain. It is very easy. For now, I want to use one button as the welcome scene and the second button as the leave scene. How can we do it? Okay, welcome scene. Welcome mode and leave mode. For welcome mode, I want to control all light turn on, and in the leave mode, I want to control all lights turn off and the curtain close. Okay, how can we do it? Okay, we can select combination on mode. What does it mean? Combination on, that means you can control many targets. Okay, we can go to the target setting. You can see if I use combination on mode, we can input 1 to 99 targets. So it can send out many commands. But now I just want to, read it. I want to control all lights turn on and the curtain open. How can we do it? Okay, I want to control the relay. My lights turn on. Okay, my relay is 19. Type. I can use the scene. I can control one scene to turn on all channels. No problem. Or we can use the broadcast channel. Control all channel turn on. no problem. And second, I want to control the curtain, turn on. Curtain module. Okay, curtain number 1, turn on, open. Okay, this is my welcome mode. When I press this button 7, all lights turn on, curtain open. Okay, I can copy it. Go to the button 9. Button 9 is the leave mode. Okay, past the target. I want to control all channel turn off and the curtain close. Okay, so it's very easy. Save it. So welcome mode 2 target. First target, control all lights turn on. Second, control curtain open. Leave mode, control all channels turn off, curtain close. If you have more targets, you can set in next, no problem. But there has a little problem here, because the combination mode not have the feedback. What does it mean? For example, when I press button 7, show all light turn on, curtain open, and the LED indicator in button 7 it will turn on. And then I want to leave. I press button 8. So lights turn off, curtain close, and the button and the LED indicator in the button 8 will turn on. For now, the LED in button 7, button 8, both are turned on. So it will make the client confused because button 7 and the button 8 we just make sure just one LED indicator turn on, the last one turn on. We need to turn off 7 and turn on 8, the button 8 LED indicator. So how can we do it? We can go to the button status. Button 7 and 8. We can use the neutral. Okay, select in same group. For example, group number 2. What does it mean? That means in same group, the LED indicator cannot turn on together. So when you press button 7 first, so button 7 LED will turn on, and then press button 8. The button 8 LED turn on, and then it will turn off the button LED indicator of 7. So in same group number 2, both LED cannot turn on together. Just the last one turn on. It will turn off before. Okay, this for mode for the LED indicator. And in here we have the double key. What does it mean? That means button 1, button 2, it can be a big button. For example, if you enable, that means button 1 and button 2 will be a big button. But after you enable it, for example, okay, go back here. You can see there's 2 colors here. The same color. That means there is a big button. No matter you send what command in second button, this target will not trigger. It just trigger the left button. So in here, button 1 control light 1, button 2 control scene 2. But if we make it as a big button, no matter you press button 1 or button 2, it just trigger the target inside button 1. So no matter you press button 1 or button 2, it just can control channel 1 turn on. So it will ignore the target in the left side. It will ignore the target in the right side. This is the left side, right side for the bigger button. Okay, I can disable it. This is the indicator status. If you want to show the indicator, you need to enable. If you disable, that means no indicator for this button. Okay, enable it. This is the dimming. If you enable the dimming, that means you can long pressing this button to dim up the dimming light. If you disable it, no matter you short press or long press it cannot dim. It just can on off. If you want to dim the dimming light, you need to enable it. This is the dimming value save. What does it mean? If you enable it and you long press to dimming up the light, for example, dimming up to 30%, and then turn off it, and then short press it to turn on, it will remember the last dimming value. So it will control the 30%. So it will control the value which you dim in last time. This is the dimming value. If you no need, not suggest to enable it. Okay, this for curtain and for the panel. For this DLP panel, okay, we can check. Because it has 7 pages. Panel page 1 to page 4 is for button. So you can go here, go to the page 2, page 3, page 4. You can set the targets here. Okay, each page it has the button ID 1 to 8. This page 2. Page 2, the button 1 to 8. But this button ID 1 means button number 9, because it occurs. Page 1 is 1 to 8. Button 2 is 9 to 16. So for the last one, this one is 32, number 32. This for AC page, we can control the AC in the AC page. Floor heating page, music page, and this is the LED color. We can change the LED color for each button. This is the white balance adjust. If no problem, you can leave it. No need to set up. This for sleep group. For now, I will not introduce the sleep group. Okay, go back to first page, the settings. It has 7 pages. So if you don't want to show, for example, button page 4, 3, I don't need. So we can disable here. Disable, that means the panel will not show page 3, not show the page 4. And there is some return standby page at the settings. Okay, go here. It has the day and time. This panel, it can show the day and time, but how can we modify the day or modify the time? This panel just can show, but it doesn't have day and time. So you need to have the you need to have the devices which have the date and time and broadcast the date and time to the bus. So the panel can read the date and time and show it in the panel. But which device has the date and time? For example, the security module, the logic module, or the gateway. The gateway enable the remote access function, and we can use the website date and time. This for DOP panel. Okay, now I will introduce the other panel, the granite panel. Okay, this is our granite. Okay, this is the granite panel. The granite panel, it is different with the DOP. This is the DOP. DOP just have button page, AC page, floor heating page, music page. It doesn't have the curtain page, So we just use the button to control the curtain. But in the granite panel, it has the lighting, scenes page, curtain page. Okay, we can double click to enter it. So it has the lighting page, curtain page, scene, AC page, floor heating, music, fresh air, and it has the main page. Okay, go to the lighting page. This is the setup for the lighting. For example, I want to control my light. The channel number 1 in the relay module. How can we do it? Okay, I delete it first. How can we add it? Okay, I want to add one light. The address is 1019 channel 1. I want to control the channel number 1 in my relay module and then add. In here, you can give a remark for it. This remark, it will show on the panel page. Okay, light 1, or you can use dimming light, bedroom light, no problem. This is the remark. And the type, because this is just relay, so we just can select switch channel, and we can set the icon for it. This icon will show in the granite panel. For example, my light, I use this icon. If you have channel 2, okay, select this one, light 2. Channel 2, switch the icon. Okay, this is the relay module. It has dimming channel, switch channel, CCT, and RGB. So it depends on the devices. If the channel, if you use the dimmer, you can select dimmer channel. If you want to control the color temp in the DALI module, you can use the CCT. If you want to use the color view, you can select RGB. But this function depends on the module. For now, I just use the relay, so I just can select switch channel. Okay, this for lighting. For the curtain, go here, curtain page. Okay, delete it first because this is the settings for other. Curtain So I need to check the address for the curtain. Supply ID 10, device ID 19. The channel number is the curtain channel, channel number 1. Okay, and we can give the remark for the curtain. For example, room, bedroom, curtain. Okay, it has the length, so we can change it as short. Room curtain, and it has some type, because this just the curtain module just open close stop. So we need to select curtain module. After we select it, we can go to the curtain page to control the curtain. Okay, this is the scene page. So you can program many scenes here. Okay, for example, I want to welcome scene. And we can select an icon for it. Welcome scene. Okay, back home. Leave scene. Just enable to leave scene. Okay, this for remark. If we want to set up the target, we can click this icon. Okay, we can add the target. For example, I want to send out 2 commands. Read it. I want to control all lights turn off. Okay, supply ID 10, device ID 19. Broadcast all channel turn on, and then control the curtain. The curtain number 1, open. Save it. This for welcome scene. Okay, and then for leave scene, click here. With target 2. Turn off all lights. Broadcast all channel turn off, and then control my curtain turn off. Control the curtain close. Curtain number 1 closed. Okay, save it. So it is done. This for scene in the scene page of the Granite panel. If you want to control the AC, you can go here to set up. It supports up to 8 AC pages. So you can control 8 AC. Floor heating, it is up to 8. Floor heating number 1 to 8. Music, same. This for music, 8 music. Fresh air, 8. Fresh air, for normal, we integrate it with the RS-232 module. This for integrate the fresh air. Okay, this for Granite panel. Go back to the basic information. In here, there is so many informations here. For example, the backlight, the proximity, the sensor sensitivity, the standby time, and the language. So in here, it can show Chinese, English, Russia, French, Italian. So you can select this language. After you select and save it, the panel will show the language which you selected. This is the shortcut setting. For the shortcut setting, you need to enable it. After you enable it, you can assign the scenes in this area. For example, shortcut scene number 1, scene number 2, number 3. This for the top inside the panel. If you don't want to use the shortcut scene, you can disable it. And this for shortcut page in the downside inside the panel. This is the functional type. You can enable it. After you enable it, it will show this function in the panel. For example, maybe you will ask why there's no light page inside the panel. So you need to go here to check if you enable the light here or not. For here, like now, if you disable it, the panel can't show the light page. So we need to enable it. If this panel just control scene, light, curtain, and AC, so you can disable floor heating, fresh air. Okay, save it. This the environment display. It can display the value 02, PM 2.5, TOC, indoor temp, outdoor temp, indoor humidity. If you want to show, you can read. For example, read the temp from the local or from floor heating. No problem, from the local. This is the day and time. It is like the DLP panel. Panel doesn't have day and time, but it can show day and time. So panel need to read the day and time from the bus. So the bus need to have the device which have the day and time and broadcast the day and time. Like the logic module, security module, gateway, enable the remote access function. For that device, they can broadcast the day and time. So our panel can read the day and time from the bus. And this panel can broadcast its temperature to one device or to the bus. If broadcast to the bus, you can set 255. 255 means broadcast. If you send to one device, for example, 100, you can broadcast the temperature just to this device. Supply ID 10, device ID 100. This for broadcast. And we can adjust the broadcast. We can adjust the temperature inside the panel because this granite panel built inside the temperature sensor, and this granite panel built inside the humidity sensor, and we can adjust it. Okay, this for granite panel. Okay, I forgot one thing. Let's go back to the DLP panel. Because DLP panel, it has the icon. It has the icon in the panel. Okay, let's go to the panel. I will show you the picture. Okay, this is our panel, the touch panel. In the LCD, it has the icon. We can modify the icon. We can modify the picture, or we can write a word for the icon. How can we do it? Okay, go to the Baseball software. First, you need to search the panel and then go to the function and go to the image. Okay, this is my panel. This is the icon, the default icon. But now I can modify the icon. Okay, we can choose the type. This time is for single. That means left button and right button is independent. If you want to left button and right button make as one big button, you can select this one. This one, that means left and right be a big button. Okay, we can set the right. We can set the. We can type in the word. For example, right 1. Okay, right 2. For example, welcome mode. And we can adjust it. For example, read mode. Okay, after we set up it, how can we put it in the panel? For example, I want to change the icon for page 3. Okay, for example, page 3. I can drag it to here. Okay, right 1, right 2, welcome mode. Because the button, it has on mode and off mode. This is the on mode, and this is the off mode. Okay, this is the off mode. We program the off mode now, and then we need to program the on mode. Okay, we can inverse the color. Okay, this for on mode. Okay, so when you press first time to turn on the light, it will show this icon. Okay, after program it, we need to upload. Okay, enable it, and then disable this. Just enable the page which you want to upload. Because we use page 3, so just enable page 3 and then upload. Click upload. So it will upload the icon, the icon picture to the panel. Okay, this is for icon for the panel, DOP panel. Okay, so the training course of today is finished.